7. So this is our chapter number 6 of this book, Physical and Chemical Changes. Dear class, there are many activities which are going around us, like गर्मियों में आपने कई बार नींबू पानी प्रिपेयर किया होगा। तो नींबू पानी प्रिपेयर करने के लिए आपकी मामा बोलती हैं कि भाई ठंडे पानी में जो है चीनी, नमक और नींबू मिलाइए। तो उससे पहले पानी था और अब नींबू पानी है, तो कुछ तो चेंज आया है उसमें। इस तरीके से और भी बहुत सारे चेंजेस हैं। जैसे आप रात में दूध में खट्टा मिलाकर छोड़ देते हैं तो सुबह तो वो दही बन जाता है। ये भी दूध और दही दो अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं, वो बदल गया, दूध से दही कैसे बन गया। सो देयर इज सम चेंज। सिमिलरली एक रबर बैंड लीजिए, आप उसे स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं, उसकी लेंथ चेंज कर सकते हैं, उसे कंप्रेस कर सकते हैं तो उसकी लेंथ चेंज हो रही है। तो हमारे चारों तरफ ऐसे बहुत सारे इवेंट्स हैं जिसमें कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें जो हैं बदलती रहती हैं। तो ऐसे ही हम और भी, मैंने जैसे आपको 2-3 एग्जांपल दिए, ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं जो आप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। मैनी एग्जांपल्स यू कैन फाइंड इन योर किचन। मम्मा सब्जी बनाती हैं, रोटी बनाती हैं, आटा गूंथती हैं, ठीक है, सिलेंडर जो है उसमें से गैस निकलती है, और देयर आर मैनी थिंग्स। तो ऐसे ही कुछ 10 चेंजेस की लिस्ट आपको अपनी तरफ से प्रिपेयर करनी है, राइट। और वो लिस्ट प्रिपेयर करने के बाद आप उसे अपनी नोटबुक में लिख सकते हैं। आई विल चेक दैट। सो अगर हम ब्रॉडली क्लासीफाई करें तो जो चेंजेस हैं वो ब्रॉडली दे कैन बी क्लासीफाइड इनटू 2 कैटेगरीज। वन इज कॉल्ड फिजिकल चेंज एंड अनदर इज कॉल्ड केमिकल चेंज। तो वन बाय वन हम इनको डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं फिजिकल चेंज की। इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड फिजिकल चेंजेस, हर एक मटेरियल की अपनी कुछ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी होती है। फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी आर दोज प्रॉपर्टी which can be seen by us, which can be felt by us. We can observe it. For example, temperature. For example, color, size, state of matter like solid, liquid, gas. These are physical properties of the material. If these physical properties of the material changes, such kind of changes are called physical change. Let us do one activity. Let us discuss it. Let us take a piece of paper and just cut it into some squares. On cutting these piece of paper, you will get again a paper of smaller size. You'll get a paper of smaller size. You'll see that here in this activity the size is increasing. The size is increasing or decreasing. Here the size is decreasing, but the paper remains paper, right? So that is one case. Now let us talk about another change. Here we have chalk dust. Just collect the chalk powder, pour some water into it, make some paste, and again it will act like dough, it will act like clay, and make the chalk again. Will you be able to write it? Right? Can you be able to use it like the chalk it was earlier? I think so, right? Let us move on to the next activity. Here we have ice in a glass or plastic tumbler. Keep it in some place where sunlight is directly falling over it. You'll see that the ice will melt. But when it was ice and now it is in the water state, liquid state, so from solid to liquid state, the water is there. Water is water. It is not changing. So here in this activity only physical property is changing, right? Now let us discuss another activity. Boil water over the container. Take a container, take a jar, boil the water into it. You'll see that on boiling, you'll see that some steam is coming out of it. Now put some cover over it and place it over here. You'll see some water droplets will be formed on this cover of the container. From where these water droplets are coming? You understand here the condensation and vaporization is taking place. Water is boiling and water is getting converted into vapor. So this is vaporization. Water is converting into vapor is vaporization. Vapors are again coming back to its initial state. That is, vapors are changing into water droplets. This is condensation. So here this is activity in which state of the water is changing. So there is again some change. There is again one more activity where we have to take some piece of iron rod or some hacksaw blade, just heat it up with the help of candle or some stove, gas stove. You'll see that this color of this hacksaw blade or some iron rod, it will change into red. So from black color of iron, it will change into red color. If you continue to heat it, its color will change into blue. If it is allowed to cool down, it will again come back to red and then to black. So color is changing here. On heating, the color is changing. Right? So in all these properties, in all these activities, the properties such as shape, like in first activity when we were cutting paper, the shape was changing, size is changing, like stretching the rubber. The color is changing in the recent activity when you were heating the iron rod. All these physical properties were changing. These properties like shape, size, color, temperature, these are called physical properties of the material. Any change in such physical properties is said to be physical change. मतलब physical property change होगी तो वो physical change है. और physical property कौन कौन सी है? Shape है, size है, color है, temperature है, right? State है. ऐसे change को हम physical change बोलते हैं. One point is very important here, that in such change no new substance is formed. कोई नया सब्सटेंस नहीं बनता. जैसे पेपर आपने काटा था तो पेपर ही रहा, साइज छोटा हो गया लेकिन है तो पेपर ही. पानी को आपने उबाला वो वेपर में बन गया लेकिन है तो पानी ही. कंडेंस किया वो वापस पानी बन गया लिक्विड स्टेट में लेकिन है तो पानी ही, चॉक. सो नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म. इन फिजिकल चेंजेस नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म. राइट. I hope you have understood. Now let us do some questions from exercise. We have to classify the changes, and out of these 6 changes, let us see what are the physical changes. So first is dissolving sugar in water. This is a kind of physical change. When you will heat the water, water will convert into vapor. You will be left with sugar in the container. So this is physical change. You can get back the sugar. Similarly, melting of eggs, solid to liquid state, then again to solid, it will condense. This is a physical change. Beating aluminum to aluminum foil, the size is changing, right? The size is changing. So this is also physical change. So these 3 changes are physical changes. Now let us talk about true and false. First question: cutting a log of wood into pieces. When you cut a log of wood, what will happen? You will again get a wood of smaller size. The size is changing, but the wood remains wood. So this is physical change, not a chemical change. No new material, no new substance is formed. So this is physical change. And the question is saying that this is chemical change. So this is true or false? This is false. Here in question number E, condensation of the steam is not a chemical change. Absolutely correct. It is a physical change. Right? So it is true. Condensation is not a chemical change. It is a physical change. And this fill in the blanks. The changes in the physical properties, of a substance are called physical changes. Here in question number 5, when a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes takes place. We have to identify which is our physical change. When candle burns, the wax melts. So state is changing. The melting of wax is physical change here. Chemical change, once we are done with chemical changes, then we will discuss this question again. In question number 7, explain why burning of wood and cutting it into the smaller pieces are considered as 2 different changes. Because when you are burning the wood will change into charcoal. When you burn a wood, The wood will change into charcoal or coal. That is something new. So this is not a physical change. But when you cut a wood, its size changes, but wood remain wood. So that is why cutting of wood is a different change. Cutting of wood is a physical change, whereas burning of wood is not a physical change. Let us move on to the last question, question number 11. The gas we use in kitchen is LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. When it is in the cylinder, it is in the liquid state. But when you just switch on the stove and burn it, then some changes takes place. So when it comes out of the cylinder, it becomes a gas. This is one change. Inside the cylinder, it is liquid. When you switch on the stove, it comes out of the cylinder in form of gas. Now you burn it. This is another change. So in these changes, which is your physical change? Obviously change A, when it is converting from liquid to gaseous state. The state is changing, but the material is same. So change A is physical change. So here we have 4 options. Process A is chemical change. No. Process B is chemical change. We will talk about it later on. Both processes A and B are chemical changes. No, none of these is chemical changes. This is also wrong. Obviously we are left with the option number B. Okay, I hope you have understood. If there is any doubt, you can ask in comment section. You can ask on WhatsApp.